Hello, fellow traders. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of Forex trading. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your skills, today we're exploring something fundamental yet powerful: how to set up your very first Forex chart. So grab your notepad, settle in, and let's get started. Embarking on your Forex trading journey can be both thrilling and a bit daunting. But fear not. Setting up your Forex chart is your first step into this fascinating world. Think of it as setting up the cockpit before taking flight. Everything needs to be in place for a smooth journey. First things first, let's talk about choosing a reliable trading platform. It's akin to selecting the right pair of shoes for a marathon. You'll hear about options like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, both great choices depending on what features you need. For those who love a social buzz with their trades, TradingView might be your go-to, known for its advanced charting and community features. Before you jump into actual trading, a golden tip is to open a demo account. It's your playground, where you can briskly practice your strategies without any financial risk. Perfect your game plan here before stepping onto the real field. Next up, currency pairs, your Forex trading focus. Understand that these pairs are your battleground. Whether it's major, minor, or exotic pairs, each holds opportunities and challenges. Choose wisely, aligning your selections with your trading goals and research. Now, time frames. These set the rhythm for your trading. Whether you're a rapid scalper or a calm position trader, knowing your time frame helps sync your strategy with market movements. Technical indicators are our next stop. They're like your navigational instruments, helping you identify trends, momentum shifts, and price conditions. From moving averages to RSI and MACD, these tools refine your strategy and provide deeper insight into what's unfolding on those charts. Personalization is key in any craft. Customize your chart to align with your visual preferences. Whether it's the type of chart or the color scheme, making it your own can enhance clarity and focus. Oh, and don't forget to save your chart template. Think of it as bookmarking your favorite settings for quick future access. It's a time saver, ensuring you maintain consistency with each analysis. Remember, trading is better when combined with thorough research and learning from others. So, immerse yourself in the trading community, gather insights, share experiences, and stay updated. And hey, if you're finding value here, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. Finally, let's talk about caution. Remember, trading is inherently risky. It's the thrill and challenge we all know. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Stay grounded, manage your risks wisely, and let informed decision-making guide you. Thank you for watching today's video. Set up your first chart, dive into the Forex waters, and let's keep the learning and trading going. Stay tuned, stay curious, and see you in the next one.